Hello, this is the second video for lesson 2.1. So now we're going to be going over task 3 and 4. So as you can see, we left off with number 9, talking about inverse operations are the opposite. So now I just wanted to go over this table and this example. So this is an example of the undo list that you're going to have to do on the next page. So notice how it gives the equation at the top. This is the given. 12x plus 4 divided by 7 equals 4. So we're always going to start with the do on the left side, so we're working down. So the first thing would be 12x, x is multiplied by 12. Then the plus 4, 4 is added to 12x, and then it's divided by 7. 12x plus 4 is divided by 7. And then what you're going to do is the undo, which will tell us the order that we have to do to the equation on both sides in order to get our solution. So we would work backwards. So if x is multiplied by 12, we're going to, we're starting with the bottom here. So we're working up. So from the bottom, if 12x plus 4 is divided by 7, we want to do the opposite and multiply both sides by 7. So these are the inverse operations. So notice how it started with the given equation. Now we're multiplying both sides by 7. Then you get 12x plus 4 equals 28. Then the do side was 4 is added to 12x. We want to do the inverse and subtract 4 from both sides. So notice how they put minus 4 on both sides of the equal sign. We want to keep it balanced. All right, then you get 12x equals 24. All right, then moving up, x is multiplied by 12. The inverse of multiplying is divide. So divide both sides by 12 using that fraction bar. And then x equals 2. So I want you to try it out. On the next page, I want you to do numbers 10 and 11, and then come back and check your work, and then we'll keep moving on. Okay, so let's go over number 10, this first one, negative 5x minus 6 equals 1. So the do here is we have negative 5x. So x is being multiplied by negative 5. So that would be our first step. So I guess I could draw a line to break it up. And then we have minus 6. So subtract 6 from negative 5x. Okay. Then we want to work backwards. So subtract 6 from negative 5x. So opposite of subtract or inverse is add 6 to both sides. So I'm going to do this over here because we need to find the solution, just like the example on the other page, work through the problem. So I'm going to write negative 5x minus 6. I'm going to leave some space here because I also still need to do this equation, equals 1. So we want to add 6 to both sides. So underneath negative 6, so we want to add it to the like terms. So negative 6 is a constant, so I'm going to add 6 under it, and we need to both sides of the equal sign. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0, so I don't even need to write 0, but I need to carry down my negative 5x equals, and then 1 plus 6 is 7. All right, going back to my table, x is being multiplied by negative 5. The inverse of multiplying is we need to divide both sides by negative 5. So I see that I have negative 5x. I want to divide that by negative